welcome back to my session. This is Anamika here and today I am back with another review. If you guys already know, I have posted a video recently on Aloe Vera Gel from Organo, and today I am introducing another product from the same brand, and it's their Vitamin C Serum. I actually spoke about this product a bit on my previous video, so you already know that I have been using two products for my skincare and one for my hair care. So yeah, let's talk you through this product today. So as you guys already know, this is the Organo Vitamin C Serum and this is how the packaging looks like. It has a cardboard box in the outside which is really nice and monochrome. Like you can see white, black and orange, and I really like this orange going on over here. I really like this picture. And it's a very simple cardboard box, but it's very useful for you because you really don't want to store this product in an open area, because you have to keep this in dark and somewhere on your cupboard, or even you can keep it on your dressing table, because you really don't want to attract much light on this product. So now let's see what's there inside this. So this is how the packaging looks like. It has a glass bottle. Yeah, and the pump is really nice. I always love products which have pump rather than droppers, because in this way you are not actually wasting much product and even it is more hygienic to use. And can you just take a moment to appreciate this little cap over here? I really like this packaging, and I have almost used this till here. If you can see, I've been using this quite a lot and it is doing really amazing things to my skin, as the Aloe Vera Gel as well. If you haven't watched that video, you can just check out this eye to watch that, because I'm talking so much about the Aloe Vera Gel. But before that, you have to complete this video. And yeah, now let's talk about the MRP of this product. So it retails for 1049 rupees for 30 ml of product. So first let's talk about why vitamin C and what it does to our skin. So firstly, let me tell you, vitamin C is a nutrient which we get in our food, and just because nowadays the food is not having the proper balance, you are not getting the right amount of nutrients in your body. That's why you have to go with products which has vitamin C, vitamin E and other vitamins in it. We definitely need vitamin C serum for our skin. I remember one of my friends, she was struggling with her pimples and her dadi always used to tell her, "Beta, neembu laga lo." And I'm so sorry to say, dadi, you don't know the exact amount of vitamin C to apply on your face. And right now we have that perfect amount of vitamin C in this bottle, and which is 20% of vitamin C, not more than that, because it is going to damage your skin further. It's going to make it dry. So never try lemon on your skin. But yes, you can definitely go for products which has 20% of vitamin C in it, and this is one of those products I am talking about today. And not only vitamin C, it has more vitamins and nutrients our skin needs. So the key ingredients are vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, glutathione, kojic acid, aloe vera extract, and other ingredients are already there on the screen. You can check it out. And now let's talk about how you can use this. So firstly, do a patch test on a small area of skin and then start by applying 3 to 5 drops of Organo Vitamin C Serum followed by your moisturizer once daily. So their products are 100% vegan, not animal tested, even they claim to have no silicone, no paraben. Now I would like to tell you guys what exactly attracted me towards this product. It was vitamin C, which is actually perfect for anti-aging properties, and it even improves the collagen production in your skin. And glutathione is perfect for your skin lightening and brightening effect, which actually is not my major concern, because I don't want that lightening or whitening effect on my skin. But yes, I want to have the perfect balanced tone of my skin. I do have discoloration on this area of my skin and this area of my skin, so this is definitely helping me in it. And kojic is definitely working for my blemishes. It actually reduces the melanin production on your skin. So yes, all the 3 ingredients I was excited about. I told you there are more ingredients, you can check it out online. So now let's talk about the consistency of this product. It has a very runny consistency and it is liquidy, as you can obviously see in my hand, but it has a very sticky feel when you apply it, which is the perfect blend of all the vitamins in here, and it is going to give you a sticky feel. Otherwise it's not the original product because it can't be only watery. It has to give that sticky feel because it has vitamin C in it. And you can apply this once daily. So I am applying this only at night because night time is the best time for your cells to repair and develop. So I prefer using this only at night, and this definitely works for my skin. It has made my blemishes go away and giving me right skin tone because I have discoloration, and this is definitely working on it. And even if I have any sun damage, it is going to remove all the sun damage and tan, everything. Like even this is having the kojic acid, which is working for your melanin. You definitely don't want that brown spot in your face, so do grab this. And this even have amazing offers running right now, so you can check out all the shopping websites. I have listed everything in the description box, and the sales are going in Flipkart, Snapdeal, LimeRoad and other online websites as well, so do check it out. So yes, these are the combo packs. You can just go and check out what you are actually looking for. Even try out the aloe vera gel. I'm sure you'll definitely like it, and I'll be coming up with next video very soon, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you did it, please give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below what you exactly loved about this product after using, because I want you to get your hands on this. And again, it's a highly recommended product from me. So yeah, there is this combos running, so go and grab your product right now. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll be coming up with more videos very soon. So yeah, take care. Love you all. Mwah. Bye.